how to use Wordware to create a chatbot. In order to do that, let's first head over and then create a file. You can see this icon right here. Click on this icon that you can see, which is the new prompt icon, and you can see this. So we have in here the flow name. So what you can do is you can head over and then just rename this flow that you can see right here, and you can also add some inputs as well. So for this one, everything below it will be pressed for commands in here as well. So let's head over and then let's try to wait it out and then just wait for this to actually. So just name this chatbot, and then let's put in here some input. And then on this input, let's name this input like chatbot as well. And then on the description, describe what data should be given. So let's put in here something like, you will be a chatbot that is knowledgeable about dogs. So let's put something like that. So it can be anything that you want. You can also put in here the input type. It can be text, long text, or image. For this one, I'll just choose in here text. And then for this one, let me head over and then click on this icon right here, which is the run icon. And then we have in here the input set. And then we have in here the second input set. So let's put in here this chatbot for Shih Tzu. And for this second one on the input set is the actual other breeds that we know of, like bulldog. Then let's head over and then run some of them. Let's run this one, which is the Shih Tzu one, and then click on this run right here. And then as you can see right here, let's close this one first. And then you can type in here anything. So let's, for example, let's put in here a slash. Let's click in here generation, and let's say something like, what is the weight? And then for this one, click on run again. And then run it on the Shih Tzu part, and then this will generate in here. So this will show you this one. So once it's done loading, it should be able to show you the actual chatbot that you want. So that's how you use Wordware to create it. If we help,